Good morning, children. Next, we will see the how to restore a deleted file or a folder. Last class we have seen how to delete, rename, copy, everything, right? So today's class will see the how to restore, means how we will be restoring. Again, we need that files or a folder. How we will be restoring after deleting, we will be seeing. First, where the deleted files will be there, deleted files will be there in the recycle bin. Okay, so the deleted files or folders can be restored from the recycle bin. First you have to open your recycle bin. You can restore the deleted files or a folder to its original location by following the given steps. Means means if you are deleted, suppose if you are deleted your photos in your computer, if you want to restore where the location, means from where you are deleted, it will be there only when you given the restore part. Okay, how it is, you have to double click on the recycle bin. In there will be in the desktop. Okay, the recycle bin desktop will be up here. See, you can see this is the recycle bin window will be up here. There, if you need, here they have given the family, word, memory and input devices, everything. So in this, anyone, suppose I want to restore the family, in that you have to, in that on that folder you have to right click on that folder. After right clicking, there will be another menu. It will come like restore, cut, delete and the properties. There if you select the restore button, it will be restore where from where you have deleted. Have we got? So right click the files or a folder that has been restored. Choose a restore. The chosen file or a folder is restored from the recycle bin to its previous location. From where you have deleted, there only it will be restored. Have we got, children? Next we will see the Windows Explorer. Okay, Windows Explorer is a tool which helps, okay, which helps you to view and manage the various files. It is used to view and manage the various files and the folders present on your disk. How to open the Windows Explorer? First you have to go to the start. Next you have to click on the all programs, then accessories, and you have to click on the Windows Explorer. Okay, see here the first they have given the start, then all programs, accessories and the Windows Explorer. This is the way to open your Windows Explorer. But another shortcut key also is there. To open the Windows Explorer, we want to press the Windows key plus E. If you press in the keyboard, it will be open the Windows Explorer window. Okay, see. Windows Explorer window has a 4 pans. Okay, what are the pans are there? Details pan, preview pan, navigation pan and the library pan will be there. Okay, see here you can see this is the navigation pan, this is the library pan and preview pan will be here and details will be here. What and all details, see here will be the details pan. Okay, means how much the size it is, everything it will be shown. Details pan. The details pan is used to see the most common property associated with the selected file. Suppose if you select any file or image or any video, it will show how much size it is. Okay, how much length will come, then what is the size of it, then how it means where it has been showed, what is the MB, means everything will be shown in the details pan. Next, preview pan. In the preview pan is used to see the content of the most of the file. If you select an email, message, text file, picture or a video, for example, you can see the preview of the content without opening it in a program. Without opening any program, we can preview in the side of the window. So, without opening the full window, you can open in the preview button any file or any text file or any image or any video part, you can do it in the preview menu. Next, navigation pan. Navigation pan is used to find the files and the folders. You can also move or copy its items directly to a destination in the navigation pan. Means if you want to copy anything, the files or to find the files or folders, it will be helpful in the navigation pan, or to copy or to move the items directly. You can move in this in the navigation pan. Okay, next, library pan. Library pan appears only when you have the library. Means when you have the library in your system, then only it will be appear. For such as it will be a document library. Okay. You can use the library pan to customize the library or to arrange the files by the different properties. Suppose if you want to arrange the library pan, means if you want to arrange the files in the different properties, we will be using this library pan. Okay, have you got children now? Thank you.